opportunity to the youth.
In his response to the Governor's address during the budget session, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma acknowledged the wide range of issues raised and noted that, while it would be challenging to address every concern in detail, he assured that all points would be carefully considered. Specific topics raised during the debate were addressed in his response. The Chief Minister emphasized that the MDA government's various schemes over the years have always prioritized the welfare of farmers, a vital sector, as over 75% of the population is involved in agriculture. Sangma assured the Assembly that the government would take necessary actions to address the raised concerns.
We had tried to share different development programs, the different schemes and policies that this MDA-2 government has tried to bring in the last many years. So the farmers have always been a very important section of our society. 75% plus people are engaged in farming activities or farming-related activities.
Chief Minister Conrad